here's how to set up standby mode on iOS 17. So if you have standby mode, or if you have the iOS 17 softwares already downloaded on your device, all we need to do to have the standby mode turned on is to watch this video until the end, and I'm going to teach you guys just how. So once you've already updated your iPhone applications or iPhone devices onto iOS 17, standby mode is automatically going to be turned on. So once it is already turned on, basically you could also toggle the settings of this under the settings option. So launch these settings, and I want you to scroll down until you see this option called standby. And as you see, you could basically toggle on or off the standby mode to work. In this case, you need to make sure that you do have standby mode turned on. And if you want to go ahead and fix the settings of this, you need to follow the instructions on when standby mode will turn on. So as you see, standby mode will turn on when the iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames, or clocks. So you need to make sure that your iPhone is on its side, and you also need to make sure that your iPhone is charging for standby mode to work. So once you have those two factors already run down, your standby mode should work properly. It's also going to show you the option to set it up if you do have this option, or if you are just a new user and this is something new to you, there will be an option for you to set it up step by step. Just follow the on-screen instructions on there. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.